Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure Discord and your device OS are updated because outdated builds break codecs. Once done, force close Discord and restart the device to clear locked camera or GPU handles. This often frees the video pipeline. Next, check the network, switch Wi-Fi or mobile, test ping and bandwidth. Low throughput causes stalls. If you use a VPN, disable it temporarily, because routing changes can block video streams. Now move to app-level settings. You should inspect Discord settings now. Toggle hardware acceleration off, apply, then relaunch. If that fails, toggle it on again and relaunch to force codec reinitialization. While waiting, update GPU drivers from the vendor site, because driver bugs often break video decoding. Clear Discord cache. This removes corrupted temporary files, or try the browser version to see whether the desktop client is at fault. If browser works, reinstall desktop Discord. If not, continue with system diagnostics. You finish by resetting permissions. Revoke and regrant camera and microphone access in your OS, then set the default device in Discord's voice and video panel, because wrong device mapping blocks streams. If video still fails, fully uninstall Discord, remove app data folders, reboot, and reinstall the latest build to ensure clean codecs. Finally, test with another Discord account or different device to isolate whether the issue is account-specific or systemic. If that fails, contact support and provide logs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.